All right, guys, it is time to start the next series of the moving diaries. Tonight, my husband is currently on his way with all the flooring, so we are going to rip out all the cabinets, and so we can get a brand new kitchen, and then he's probably gonna start doing the flooring, probably starting like around this corner in that room. And I unfortunately need to finish painting. It's a lot of painting. I'm so excited to show you guys. All right, we're gonna call it an evening. We have now planned out our entire with the cabinets like so. So I'll have like a Lazy Susan, a 12-inch. Oh, that's for lower. Wait, are you putting? Oh yeah, for like rags and stuff. And then this is the sink. Then we're gonna put drawers. Where are we putting 2 sets of drawers? Oh no, that's dishwasher, then drawers. Those are drawers. And then on the island, we're gonna have a big one right there. And then we're gonna put a 24 base and then 24-inch of drawers. And it's gonna come out to right where he is. And it's gonna go straight down, not curving like the old one. And then we're gonna leave all this the same as well. What's skin?
It's panel, back skin panel.
Okay. 1 foot?
One panel.
1 panel. And then we're only gonna put 1 upper cabinet here, and then we'll just paint that. Look how cute this is though. Say goodbye to all the cute wallpaper because it's gonna be sayonara. And then in the cabinets we have this cute cat one. So sayonara.
Was like, nope, I'm not gonna deal with that because they were like passing everybody. He was like, if you work for the damages or something, and the girl called and like, I was like, how do you talk to your boyfriend? Oh my gosh. Paint is very good.
Do you need my help? Do you want me to put this on a tripod?
Maybe hold here.
Okay.
Push back on it. I'm gonna try to just take this cabinet off. Am I missing something?
Is this not one big cabinet?
No. Oh, it's got little ones back here, that's why.
There's little ones on my side too. Nice.
Man, now I don't want to throw these cabinets away.
Those are nice.
Yeah, but I would use them like somewhere else. Yeah, that's my problem.
Great problem to have, I suppose.
You happy?
Yeah.
Look at that wallpaper.
Oh my gosh. That's hilarious.
That's what was in the whole kitchen. I think that was here when I was little too.
Coffee, flour. That's adorable. Completely finished all of the white in this front room. So now we are going to start on the green. Woo. I can't touch my thing because of my gloves. This roller is really not great.
You want a different one?
I don't really want to waste another one. Okay, I feel like tonight is the night we're actually gonna get some good stuff done. I'm just about done painting the front living room all green. I just have like one more wall, and then I have like edging touch-ups along the ceiling, which I'm kind of tempted to not do until we actually paint the ceiling because I know my husband's gonna touch it. So the other day at work, my sister cut my bangs. Let me know if you guys like them. I haven't had bangs this short in I don't know how long, a very long time. So it's kind of different. So yeah, I really just have like all this section to do, and I want you guys to come along with me to finish it. And then we decided that we're just not going to prime the hallway. And let me see. And I'm just gonna straight up try to paint it green and see how bad it looks or if it looks good. So yeah. I'm really gonna need to watch where I step because I'm not wearing shoes and there's still staples in this ground. In fact, I just stepped on one and it really hurt, so. But to be honest, my life is about to be completely different starting next month. Something I've never talked about on this channel is my brother with autism. The house he was staying in, like his group home, is not a very safe place. So we're getting him removed, and he's gonna live here with us now for at least a little bit. And it makes me super nervous because he hasn't lived with us in like 8 years. And now I'm gonna have to quit my job to like help take care of him. I'm just super nervous about how it's gonna affect my life going forward. And yeah, I'm really stressed about it. So hopefully our goal is to move in like 2.5 weeks, and then hopefully I can go down and pick him up at the end of March. So yeah, it's kind of random for you guys. It's kind of nerve-wracking for me, but yeah, let's just finish up this room real quick. This is like literally the last little bit I have for this room, and then we're gonna move on to the hallway. I'm not too concerned with how good this section looks just because we are putting a couch right here. And my husband's calling. Okay, it has been a little over a week since the last clip, and we have done so much. And the reason I haven't been recording it is because my husband's cousin has been helping him with the kitchen, so I don't want to record in front of him. It's super embarrassing. And then also my mother-in-law has been out here every night helping us. Also, don't know if she knows I have a YouTube account, so it's embarrassing, and I don't want to, like, you know me, guys. I'm too embarrassed and not strong enough to. Oh my gosh! For a second, I was like, wait, there's blinds in a window that didn't used to have blinds. Just kidding. It's the wrong room. Anyways, I don't like recording in front of people, so let's go see all the progress. We've done some flooring. We've done the kitchen. So let's go ahead and update you guys. Hi! Look at all the floor you got done. Holy cow! Holy cow! Oh my gosh! First of all, here's your chicken. I'm sorry. Sorry. So some of it's JoJo's. I can't believe you did all this. When did you do all this?
Yesterday and this morning.
Yesterday and this morning? Oh my gosh. Look at that, everybody.
That won't work, but it does not match very well.
Oh, it's a dirty door. That's okay, I guess. And this is the kitchen. You're the way. It looks so good with the flooring. These look so good. And then Tony just said he's going to work on the countertops today. And I believe they're in here. Are they still in here? Oh, they are. They're beautiful. I've also started already decorating with all my Legos, getting all this painted.
Push down on it. I could use clamps, but it's gonna take me to take every clamp off. This isn't too perfect.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me a million years from now.
This is the new sink. Apparently, it's a $600 sink, and we got it for like $200 because it has like all these like add-on things, like a cutting board. I don't know, like a veggie wash thing. You need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look how beautiful that sink is, guys. It's huge. I was sure it's not too big. It's very industrial. All right, so this is the hardware we have picked out. It's the exact same hardware we have in our house now, except obviously this is, what's it called? Brushed nickel. And then what we have at our house now is black, which we're going away from the dark. How's it fitting?
I always have to draw it out, and then I always go to see if it actually.
It's perfect.
covers everything. It's got these tabs. I have the measurements memorized, so I kind of just always do what I want. Because I don't trust the measurements.
He's very cocky when it comes to work.
Yeah, I don't have to notch that.
This part? That's fantastic.
Which I'm probably going to do now.
Oh, do we have to take it off then?
No.
Okay, good. Look how amazing this beautiful sink is. Are you gonna laminate first and then put it back in?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how you do it. I just always want to check to make sure it
that fits. Oh, that's great. I do just want to say the reason I've been looking so crazy today. I mean, I just did my makeup, so I look a little less crazy now. But it's because we're going to do like some really fancy like dinner thing tonight. And so I'm just like prepping myself. I don't know. Do you guys like the bangs? Let me know if you guys like the bangs. I'm indecisive. You're doing so great, love. I said you're doing so great.
grab this side.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Grab the bottom. Just like the top.
Thank you for being such a hard worker. Can I play with this just to show the camera?
Huh?
This waterfall is gonna look so good. I'm not a pet, I'm a married man. I started decorating with some books. That's a work in progress. Those ones are mine. Good job.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you